Hey guys, it's Ross from ASUS, and today we're going to be taking a look at our new Wi-Fi 6 dual-band gaming router, the RT-AX82U. Some of the other features included on the RT-AX82U include Aura RGB, which allows you to customize the feel of your gaming router and allowing you to display different colors depending on the mode in which is engaged. The RT-AX82U is perfect for mobile gaming, allowing you to prioritize devices on the wireless network to make sure that when you're playing your mobile games, you're getting the bandwidth that you require. The router also includes a gaming port specifically for an Ethernet connection in order to prioritize a wired gaming device such as your gaming PC. It also comes with included AI mesh support, allowing you to cover your entire household. With new Wi-Fi 6, you also have up to 5,400 megabits per second as a maximum speed with a lower latency and a longer range, allowing you to get better performance throughout your house. A lot of these functions and features can be controlled via the ASUS Router app, giving you accessible and easy to use options for your gaming router.